Devendra Fadnavis is the biggest face of the BJP in Maharashtra. Somebody who started his journey with the RSS and became one of the youngest mayors of Nagpur in 1997. Devendra Fadnavis entered the political arena by becoming an MLA from Nagpur way back in 1999. He's been continuously MLA for 5 times, and this is the seat from where in Mumbai Southwest that Devendra Fadnavis became the chief minister in 2014. In 2020, the BJP in Maharashtra could not form the government because Mr. Fadnavis was a CM for a few days before Uddhav Thackeray pulled out his support and the Maha Vikas Aghadi came to power. In 2022, when the BJP finally formed the government, along with Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis made the big sacrifice by becoming the deputy chief minister instead of the chief minister. But this time in Maharashtra, and especially among the BJP supporters, there is a lot of clamor that if the Mahayuti wins, it should be Devendra Fadnavis who should become the chief minister because he's the tallest face in Maharashtra when it comes from the Mahayuti. Here on the stage behind me is Devendra Fadnavis doing a big campaign for the BJP, a battery of campaign. He's doing 3 rallies in Nagpur today. He's fighting from the Nagpur Southwest constituency. And Mr. Devendra Fadnavis is carrying the burden of the Mahayuti's electoral campaign on his shoulders. A big supporter of Devendra Fadnavis in Nagpur is of course the woman voter. We are with a group of BJP women supporters here in good numbers at a rally of Devendra Fadnavis in Nagpur today evening. तो फडणवीस जी यहीं से मुख्यमंत्री बनके 2014 में गए थे, कई बार जीत चुके हैं नागपुर की सीट से. इस बार आप क्या चाहते हैं, क्या हो, फडणवीस जी मुख्यमंत्री बने?
हाँ, फडणवीस साहब भी मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे ना. सभी लेडीज लोग, सभी लोग ही यही चाहते हैं कि फडणवीस साहब ही मुख्यमंत्री बने
जी, क्योंकि बीजेपी ने जब 22 में सरकार बनी तो एकनाथ शिंदे जी को मुख्यमंत्री बनाया, फडणवीस जी को उप मुख्यमंत्री बनना पड़ा. आपको लगता है वो क्यों हुआ उस समय और अब क्या होना चाहिए?
अब तो बस मुख्यमंत्री फडणवीस ही आना चाहिए, और क्योंकि उन्होंने बहन लोगों का भी बहुत विचार किए महाराष्ट्र की.
हाँ, देवेंद्र बाबू को मुख्यमंत्री बनना चाहिए, हमारी सबकी इच्छा है ये.
This is Nagpur, the Janam Bhumi as well as the Karam Bhumi of BJP's top leader in Maharashtra and the Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. He has won from Nagpur Southwest for consecutively 5 terms now since 1999. Mr. Fadnavis is fighting again from this constituency now for a 6th term, and this time the people in his constituency are saying that Mr. Fadnavis should not just be a Deputy Chief Minister if he wins, he should be firmly back as the Chief Minister as he was from 2014 to 2019 when he won BJP the state. Mr. Fadnavis' success stories in Southwest Nagpur are famous amongst people. New flyovers being constructed, the Nagpur metro being run, various developmental projects that Mr. Fadnavis has brought to this largely urban constituency of Nagpur. And that is why the people here have a lot of goodwill for Devendra Fadnavis. He has been winning elections here consistently with a 50% vote share. Then let's speak to some locals on what they think about Devendra Fadnavis. So Devendra Fadnavis ji डेप्यूटी सीएम भी हैं स्टेट के, लड़ते भी यहीं से 5 बार जीत भी चुके हैं यहाँ से सीट पे. आपको लगता है दोबारा जीतेंगे? मुख्यमंत्री क्या बनना चाहिए उनको? कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि मुख्यमंत्री बनना चाहिए उनको.
मैं तो बोलता हूँ सरकार तो महायुति की आएगी, लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री बन नहीं सकता. देवेंद्र फडणवीस नहीं बन सकते मुख्यमंत्री इस बार.
कौन रहेंगे? एकनाथ शिंदे ही रहेंगे?
वो नहीं बता सकते, लेकिन बीजेपी का ही रहेगा.
अच्छा,
हाँ, बीजेपी का ही रहेगा, लेकिन फडणवीस साहब नहीं बनेंगे.
ऐसा क्यों भाई साहब? क्या क्यों लगता है आपको?
क्यों नहीं लगता? उनको बड़ा स्थान मिलेगा केंद्र में, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है.
The festive atmosphere is still very much on in the Nagpur Southwest constituency. Devendra Fadnavis just had a big road show in Nagpur to appeal to his constituents to vote for him again. तो जो महिलाएं हैं महाराष्ट्र में, नागपुर में आप रहती हैं, आपको लगता है आपको पैसा लाडली बहन वाला मिला है? उसकी बहुत भाजपा बात कर रही है कि हम औरतों को सबको पैसा दे रहे हैं.
सर, वो तो सभी को अच्छा ही लग रहा है, बहुत आनंद लग रहा है. तो आज के सर ऐसे कर रहे हैं तो इसके लिए तो सभी लोग खुशी है ना जी, है ना.
This time in his constituency in Nagpur, Devendra Fadnavis is also reaping the benefits of the state's very popular women scheme, under which rupees 1500 is being given to women. 5 installments have already been given, and you can see on the posters here in Nagpur, you can see Mr. Fadnavis' picture is the biggest picture along with that of Prime Minister, saying that this is the particular scheme, BJP taking full credit of the same here in Nagpur. And amongst the women voters, this scheme is generating a lot of goodwill for Devendra Fadnavis because many see him as the architect of this particular scheme.